Good morning, Mama.
Morning.
Morning, Emily. Good morning, Benjamin. Everything okay? Yeah. Good morning, Marine. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Actually, a few days inside this trip now already. Now I had to go working as well. Now it's weekend, and we're doing a short trip to the Netherlands, because it's not that far. Good. Yes, we need to go down. We're stuck here in the elevator just talking, and then Emily just pushed the button. Good job. Yeah. So we're doing a short trip today, weekend with everyone. And as you see, maybe here, Benjamin have new haircut. New haircut? Yeah, very handsome. Emily as well. Here's a short clip from the barber shop. Yes. You too. Want to show them? Oh, so beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So ready for the trip?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa.
Hello, morgen. And Ben, ready? 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 Let's go.
Go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, on to the down. Go round and round, round and round.
So. So we made it now with the bus from our hometown to the next city, because the next city they have a train station. Looks like that. And then we continue the way to Netherlands with the train.
Yummy?
It's up. Water.
Also, oh! Das ist überrascht.
Bako kommt.
Baby Bagger.
Baby Bako. Okay, auch.
Okay.
Ja, zuschauen.
Danke.
Moment, bitte.
What is this? What is that?
Zug! Bye bye Zug, war gut?
War gut.
And welcome, Mama. Good train ride?
Yes.
Everything okay, Dika? Yeah? Ooh, so many things to see here, right? Ooh. And Emily, the train ride was very good?
Really good.
Very good, yeah, very fun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, we made it to our destination. Yeah, we spending the weekend in the Netherlands. Yeah, 2 nights in Den Haag. Yeah, but planned also some day trips somewhere.
Oder von der Gewichtsgrenze her nicht.
Ben, alles klar?
Ja.
Nadie, Paco. Nadie, Paco.
Wow! And hey Emily,
Hey.
was good trip so far?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. So guys, we just made it to the hotel right now, and I will make a complete room tour and a separate video for you guys. So yeah, as you saw, starting at our hometown with the bus, going to the next city, where they have then the train station, and then needed to change to another train during the way, and then it actually took us now 5 hours for the whole trip coming here. Really good, nice and easy. Tick, what do you think about train?
Good here.
Good here, ne? Compared to train in Thailand?
Yeah, way much better.
Here, way much more better. Yeah, it's
Yes.
very big difference.
Yes.
Was the first time Tick using the train here in Germany. Actually, it's the second time for Tick and the second time for Emily in Germany. But the first time bus and the first time train. So these are some of the choices of transportation what we have. But what is the main transportation? What German people like to doing? Walk. You enjoy the walking?
Yes.
Yes, because actually here is now walking in Thailand is like just way too hot and too exhausting. But here in Europe or Germany, we really enjoy walking or driving bicycles or something like that. But most of the part, especially in a small hometown where we staying, is almost walking, because it's very short distance to everything. And then we have the weekend here in the Netherlands, in Den Haag. And then tomorrow we're doing a day trip to another city. You will see that in another video then, of course. And in Den Haag actually also is very funny, because you have some relative staying here as well. No? Who is it? Your auntie?
Yeah.
Together with your uncle?
Yeah.
And so that's very funny, because last time we saw them during our trip to Buriram. They come see us there, and then now we are here, and then at least Tick will go see them. For me, I'm not sure if I will join, because I have my sister is here also together with her boyfriend, so maybe we will split up. Let's see, or maybe I will join Tick, because the good thing is Thai food. Someone is starving already. We are here just for a few days, 1 week, and Tick already. Oh, อยากกินข้าว Ooh. It's so funny. So yeah, so maybe I will join. Let's see for some nice Thai food, and then whatever we will doing here, we will show you then of course in the videos. So we will close this one here. Hope you enjoyed the trip as well. And then we see us in the next one, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye Benjamin, and bye bye Emily.
Bye bye.